To eat healthy and to remain young, you will have to disconnect yourself from your oven. This is bright lifestyle. Many health conscious people have already done it and few are doing. Nature does not ask you to cook your food. We are designed to take the food in natural way, that is raw food. Raw food advocates believe that many unwanted physical problems can be averted by taking the food naturally, especially green foods like spinach, collards, etc. Our ancestors lived on raw food, and it is believed that they lived for much longer period of time than we do. Experts say that eating raw foods for 7 years or a complete raw diet for 2 years makes one feel physically and mentally like a new person. It is like de-aging. Raw food provides you a lot of essential vitamins, minerals, amino acids, antioxidants, enzymes, and photochemicals that work together to promote your health. Raw plant food like greeneries improves your memory, helps you think clearly, and it cleans the body by removing the toxins. It increases energy levels, says nutritionist Rosalind Grubain. But there are certain compounds, such as carotenoids, found in orange, yellow vegetables, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant, and with anti cancer properties found in tomatoes, are made accessible through cooking. In a period time of 3 months, digestion is thoroughly improved and it improves your overall health as well. Food is for health as well as for pleasure.